Today we're replacing these dated outdoor lights with beautiful modern black sleek lights for the exterior of our home. LED and has an up light and a down light on the front of our house. Really excited because what we had previously that came with the house was these, not so cute. But these look super modern and I love the black finish. So we're gonna show you what these look like here in just a second. This project is pretty straightforward, but first we're going to use a voltage tester to make sure it's safe.
Making sure like these wires don't have any current. So I'm just going to touch. Make sure, all right, there's no current. And because this is not beeping, so this is all safe to work.
And for reference, this is what it sounds like when electrical is running to it. Now let's get started. My husband and dad are tackling this project together. So first they're removing the wires of the old one and attaching the wires to the new lights. It was just 3 wires, so super simple and straightforward to install these. We were actually really impressed at how simple it was. But with 2 people working together, we were able to have it done by sunset. And I mean, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. And it's even prettier at night. I love how these turned out. If you want to get these for your own home, check out the caption or description below.